If you've ever looked at your workshop floor and seen small leftover pieces of wood scattered everywhere, this video is for you. Those offcuts may look useless, too small for furniture, too random for big builds, but in reality, they're perfect for something incredibly practical. Clever desktop organizers that cost almost nothing to build. Instead of throwing away scraps, imagine turning them into phone stands, pen holders, cable docks, mail sorters, mini drawer units, headphone stands, charging stations, business card holders, notebook trays, monitor risers, and compact shelf towers. Every small piece of hardwood, plywood, or pallet slack can become something functional and beautiful. Let's start with the simplest idea: stacked block organizers. Glue together small square offcuts, sand the edges smooth, and drill staggered holes to hold pens and pencils. Add a shallow groove across the top for your phone, and suddenly you have a modern desk accessory that looks intentionally designed. Clean lines and smooth sanding make even scrap wood look premium. Another clever idea is the layered tray organizer. Use thin plywood scraps to create shallow trays for paper clips, sticky notes, and USB drives. Stack them vertically using spacer blocks, and you instantly maximize vertical space on your desk. Small footprint, big storage. Cable management is one of the biggest desk frustrations. Tiny scrap blocks can become cable holders by cutting narrow slots into them. Mount them on a slim base, and you build a charging dock that keeps wires from falling behind the desk. A simple routed channel underneath can hide excess cable length, keeping everything tidy. Monitor risers are another powerful scrap project. Short boards glued into a simple platform can lift your screen just a few inches, improving posture and freeing up storage space underneath. Use contrasting wood pieces for a modern striped look. Even irregular pieces can create a unique pattern that feels custom-made. If you have narrow offcuts, turn them into vertical file organizers. Cut angled slots into a thicker base and insert upright panels. Suddenly you have a document sorter that keeps notebooks and folders standing neatly. Clean edges and balanced proportions make it look like something you'd buy in a design store. Headphone stands are surprisingly easy. Laminate curved offcuts into a gentle arch shape, attach to a sturdy base, and sand everything smooth. Add a natural oil finish, and it instantly looks professional. Drawer-style mini organizers are perfect for smaller scraps. Build a compact box, then use thin strips to create sliding drawers. Even if the drawers are small, they're ideal for memory cards, flash drives, and tiny tools. Smooth movement and tight alignment are what make it feel high quality. Phone charging stations can be upgraded with angled grooves and hidden cable slots. A single block of scrap wood can become a sleek charging dock with careful measuring and sanding. Add felt underneath to prevent sliding and protect your desk. For those who like minimalist design, a simple L-shaped bookend made from thicker offcuts adds both structure and style to a workspace. Pair two together and they frame your desk setup beautifully. If you have irregular shaped scraps, embrace asymmetry. Glue them together intentionally and sand smooth for a sculptural organizer that looks artistic. Sometimes random pieces create the most unique results. Floating mini shelves made from short boards can sit directly on your desk to elevate small items like clocks, plants, or speakers. Add simple legs from square offcuts, and you built a tiny modern display stand. Another idea is a rotating desktop caddy. Build a circular base and mount a lazy Susan bearing underneath. Divide the top into compartments for tools and stationery. This works perfectly for creative desks or workshop planning stations. You can also create a modular organizer system. Build small stackable cubes from uniform scrap pieces. Each cube holds a different category of supplies. Stack them, rearrange them, expand them over time, all from leftovers you already had. Small hardwood strips can be glued into geometric patterns for a decorative desktop tray. Even thin veneer scraps can add visual interest when layered creatively. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, imagine how many more projects are hiding in your scrap bin. Which one would you build first? A charging dock, a pen organizer, or a monitor riser? Corner desk organizers are another underrated project. Use triangular offcuts to create units that fit perfectly into an unused corner space. This maximizes every inch of your workspace. You can also build a slim vertical tower organizer that holds notebooks and tablets. Thin dividers slide into dado slots, making it compact yet functional. For small business owners, a branded business card holder made from contrasting with scraps can look premium. Simple engraving or clean sanding elevates the design instantly. Even leftover dowels can become vertical pen forests when mounted into a base. Different heights create visual interest and easy access. Magnetic tool strips embedded into scrap would make excellent mini holders for scissors or metal rulers. A hidden magnet system keeps the look clean and minimal. Another clever build is a combined clock and organizer. Use a small round scrap panel for a clock face, then attach a tray beneath it. Functional and decorative at the same time. Stacked plywood scraps can form geometric shapes that double as art and storage. When arranged intentionally, scrap projects don't look like scraps anymore. What makes these projects powerful is not complexity. It's finishing. Smooth sanding, rounded edges, clean glue lines, and balanced proportions transform basic pieces into something that looks store-bought. And the best part? These builds are small. That means you can finish them in a single afternoon. Quick wins build confidence. Confidence builds skill. Instead of letting scraps pile up, turn them into functional tools that improve your workspace every single day. If this inspired you, watch the full video to explore all 25 clever desktop organizer builds in more detail. And subscribe for more smart woodworking ideas that turn leftover materials into valuable projects.